In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion dashboard and sync it with Google Tasks using Zapier. If you're looking to streamline your productivity tools and bridge the gap between task management on Google Tasks and organization on Notion, Zapier is an excellent tool to achieve this integration. Let's get started with all the steps to set this up. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged in so you can create and manage your zaps efficiently. A zap is an automated workflow that connects your apps and services, allowing them to work together automatically. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Create button, which you'll find typically in the header or on the main dashboard panel. This is where we will start building the zap to sync your Notion dashboard with Google Tasks. After clicking Create, you'll want to enter the Zap section. This section is where the magic happens, as it's where you'll set up and customize your automated workflows. Here, you need to specify a trigger, which is the event that starts your zap. In this case, it's a task in Google Tasks. Click on Trigger to start this setup. Next, type Google Tasks into the search bar where you specify the app that will initiate the trigger. After typing, select Google Tasks from the list. Now, it's time to set the specifics by defining the trigger event. Select the appropriate trigger event that suits how you want tasks to be picked up from Google Tasks. For example, you might choose when a new task is created, sign into your Google account when prompted, allowing Zapier permissions to access your tasks. Don't worry, this step is secure and Zapier only uses this access to perform the automation you've set up. Click Test Trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. This is a crucial step because it confirms that Zapier can successfully pull data from Google Tasks, so make sure that it finds some data before moving on. With the trigger tested and confirmed, let's head on over to the action part of your Zap, which will happen in Notion. Type Notion in the Action Application search and select it. Define what action you want to occur in Notion, such as creating a new database item or updating an existing one based on the trigger from Google Tasks. Log into your Notion account to give Zapier the necessary permissions. Again, this process is entirely secure. Once logged in, fill out the required fields to match the layout of your Notion dashboard, aligning it with your Google Task setup. After setting up the action, click on Test and Review to make sure everything is running smoothly. Finally, once you've confirmed that all is functioning as it should be, proceed to publish your Zap by clicking on Publish. Congratulations, you've just set up an automated connection between Google Tasks and Notion, organized more efficiently thanks to Zapier. With this integration, you can now effortlessly keep your tasks and dashboard in sync, enhancing your productivity and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Happy organizing?